Colby, located in the heart of northwest Kansas, plays an important role in the development of the region. Agriculture, education, and healthcare are vital elements for a healthy and sustainable community. Citizens Medical Center, a local nonprofit and Thomas County's largest employer, provides important local health care, supporting the medical needs of our citizens and the growth of our local economy.
Well, Colby seems to be a fairly good central location for northwest Kansas. And if you think in terms of having to drive either to Hayes, which is 100 miles, or Denver, which is 230 miles to a hospital, it's certainly nice to be able to meet a lot of your healthcare needs here locally.
I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. It's been 26 years now. I'm a para-educator. I worked at Brewster School for 18 years. I've coached junior high basketball and volleyball. Love the kids. I had a little setback. I broke my leg, and the physical therapy department have helped me through so much.
When I met Becky, she was a very motivated person. She is a fighter. She will never give up, and I love that about her, and we have seen progress.
It's just a great hospital and a great staff here.
Our community is very fortunate to have the kind of health care we have. When we want to bring in a new business, or we want to bring in a new family, we want to bring an educator to work in our school systems or work at the community college, the first question they're going to ask, what kind of health care will we have in Colby, Kansas if we move here? It's just critical that we bring in good doctors, have the facilities to provide the care that we need, and we have that in Colby through the hard work of lots and lots of people and the donations and contributions from our community.
Citizens Medical Center and the Citizens Foundation, with the leadership and help of many volunteers and staff, are in the midst of raising $1.9 million in the local community to expand the Family Center for Healthcare. The expansion is a critical need and high priority. Donations from everyone are needed to ensure that the project becomes a reality and that Citizens Medical Center continues to provide the community of Colby, Thomas County, and Northwest Kansas quality health care.
I remember when we had the original fund drive, that was a very difficult concept for many people in the county to accept. They said, well, somebody's got to own it. And our answer was, it's like the Boy Scouts. Who owns the Boy Scouts? We all do. And so as a non-for-profit, the Citizens Medical Center has provided great health care and at no cost to the county taxpayer.
Citizens Medical Center gets all their revenue from donations from the great citizens of Colby and Thomas County, as well as from the fees that they collect for all their services.
The way people can help is make a donation. There are different ways to donate. It doesn't just have to be money or funds. We will accept grain or commodities as part of the donation, which we've already gotten some of those already, and that's a way people can donate. Second thing people can do is tell their friends and their family, ask them to donate and support healthcare in our community. And of course, the third thing is volunteering. So there's a number of ways people can support healthcare in Colby.
It's important for me to support the medical center, especially as I get older, because I may need it someday.
Of course, it's been a family tradition to support the community in whatever ways we can. My grandfather said that service to the community is the price we pay for the space we occupy here. So I think that tradition has been part of the community for a long time.
Yes, our family has supported the clinic from its inception because we felt that in order to attract quality healthcare professionals, we needed to have a quality clinic for them to practice in.
And this is an important turning point, I think, for the community to improve the hospital and move forward here with this project they're working on right now.
Citizens Medical Center has recruited 3 new doctors, including a general surgeon. They've got them coming. We need to provide the space where they can work.
If we don't continue to bring in new doctors, new dentists, new pharmacists, keeping everything available here, we will not have the kind of community that we've grown to expect, that will help Northwest Kansas grow. We'll continue to bring the young people back. They want to raise their children here. It's just the place where we want to be, and we'll have to have the services in order to make that continue to happen.
I think we're going to have the finest medical facility between Hayes and Denver and Colorado Springs, and the wonderful people of Colby and Thomas County are going to make that happen.
I'm very optimistic that we'll raise the $1.9 million for the expansion campaign, as well as get funding committed for a permanent endowment so we can carry quality health care on into the future.